Check out this Yamagahome end table with wireless charging station on top. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this was very simple to put together. It took just under 45 minutes to get everything in order. We put the wheels on at the bottom. There are 3 different tiers. There's one in the bottom that holds some storage. There's a storage level on the second level here too, which also has a plug with 2 outlets and 2 USB plugs in there as well. And then that cord running up to the top actually charges your phone wirelessly through this little charging station here. So there's a 3rd tier up top. So we have 3 different storage spots on this little end table. Now this could go as a side table. It could go as a bedside table as well. And it's just a very sturdy and amazing little table that you've got for anything like books or iPads or something that you could place underneath here as well. And it's just a really great looking type of side table. It's a really nice wood that you have with this table. The charging station that is wireless is such a clutch option to have on there too, because you can just place your phone there and it'll start charging and it'll be so great. And then we also have some plugs up here as well that really help out too. So I hope you enjoyed this review and I'll see you next time.